Good morning everyone. So this morning I have a Cibeles style villa to show you. We are on an urbanisation called Campersol near the port of Matharon on the Costa.Calida. We are near several beaches. It's about a 20-minute drive and 30 minutes to Covera Murcia International Airport. So we're in a great location here. So let me take you over and we'll have a look at this Cibeles. I'm going to show you the outside first before going into the main property. So as you can see, you have off-road parking just over here, and here you have a pedestrian gate. I'll go in the pedestrian gate because there is an underbuilt as well. Some beautiful mountains and walks just down there at the end of the road. I just want to show you the storage, and then we'll go in and I'll show you the off-road parking. Shut the gate behind me. Lovely steps. I love these blue tiles. Do you know that's a sign of wealth in Spain, having those blue tiles? So there's a little tidbit for you. So here is the underbuild, and it's great for storage, just for all your bits and bobs, you know. So, lovely established plants and flowers. Beautiful flowers popping up everywhere in the garden. And as you can see, just on the driveway here, you've got a nice driveway for off-road parking. You could take those few plants there and just extend it, and it would give you enough room for 2 cars then. So we're going to walk up here and go through the archway. So this archway leads to the back garden. You have a pool there. It has been raining. They've got a cover on it because it's winter. So that comes alive in the summer. They take the cover off and everything else. But it's just because we had some rain, there's water on the cover there. So we got beautiful blue skies here, and I just thought I'd show you this little area here where you have for outside dining, and you've got a little barbecue there and plenty of established trees and plants. And as I pan around, you got a more modern pergola here with outside dining for quite a few people there. Across from the pool you have a pergola in the shade, and that is the garden. So we're going down here, and this is to the side of the property. Now, as I noticed going down the steps, you have underbuilt storage just down there, so another access to the underbuilt. Got your wood storage there for a log burner fire. Got some olive trees here. Now I'm going to take you upstairs, and I'm going up to the rooftop solarium, and we'll have a look up there first. Just on the way up you have the kitchen gate here and the kitchen doorway. You could put a table and chairs, a little bistro table and chairs, sit out here and have your morning coffee. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So I've just come up here. As you can see, there is an awning that you can pull across, and there is a terrace up here with table and chairs, and this is a nice little sun trap. If you wanted private sunbathing, this is ideal up here. Nobody would see you. Just going to give you a quick glimpse of those mountains. They're quite close to me, but on camera they may not look like that. Really beautiful. So I'm just going up to the terrace, which is enclosed. As you can see, there is insect screen doors on the terrace as well as the normal doors as well. So I'll see you inside. So I've just come up the steps now and we're inside the Cibeles. This used to be the terrace, it has been enclosed. You got those beautiful Valentine bricks and the windows do open so you can still get those warm summer breezes through. Lovely area to sit and have a coffee or just a chat with the friends. So let's go into the main house itself now. So this is the front door to the property with the wrecker, and you've also got aircon in this room if it gets too warm, and you have got ceiling light and fan and some lovely blinds. Okay. So I've just come into the main living space of this Cibeles style property. As you can see, there's aircon, you've got a ceiling fan and light, and you have a feature fireplace which is a log burner. You also have got dual aspect windows here. I've just come in from the vestibule there, and I go down here, pan around just so you get a feel for the room. Now this room is being illuminated beautifully by the sunshine, and every room in this house. So you have got a fridge freezer there, that's just outside the kitchen diner. But I'm going to take you through the archway here which leads to the bedrooms. So I'll go into the master bedroom first, and as I go in you can see there is overhead storage and a double wardrobe. Just inside here you have your ensuite. It's fully tiled. You have a semi-frosted shower screen, a shower attachment, a bath. You've got your WC, a sink and pedestal, and your mirror with lights, and you got your towel rail. Quite a large bathroom. Now just in here you've got your dual aspect windows, again with the sun illuminating the bedroom beautifully, and you have a ceiling light and fan and your aircon. Just going to come over here, give you a feel of the room. So you have got, of course, your double wardrobes. So I'll just take you outside. So I'm going to take you through, and we're going to look at a guest room here. Now this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. In here, shut the door behind me, and that overlooks the pool. You have got aircon in here, and you've got a double wardrobe with overhead storage, and you've got your ceiling light and fan. So it'll take a small double bed or 2 single beds like it has, or maybe even good as an office space for someone. So let's go down here. So straight ahead you have got a shower room. You've got a frosted glass window, shower cubicle, got your WC and your sink and pedestal. It's fully tiled in here in nice grey mottled and cream, and you've got an etched mirror there as well. Really very nice. So just in here is another guest room, and this room is another double bedroom. You have aircon and you have ceiling light and fan. You've also got insect screens throughout the property, as well as your wreckers and your blackout blinds. So nice decent sized bedrooms. Now I'm going to take you in to the dining area and the kitchen. We'll have a look in there. So just here is your dining area. Now some people have taken out this archway and just made the kitchen a bit larger and maybe put an island in the middle, so you could do that if you wanted to do any reforming. Again, it's a nice dining area, And in your kitchen, you have plenty of top and base units. You've your sink and drainer. You've got your integrated electric hob and electric oven, your washing machine, and a place there if you wanted to put your fridge freezer. It is over there. I guess it's a bit wide for that area there. So a good sized kitchen. And if I just pan around, this doorway leads to that terrace where I said you could put a little bistro table and chairs. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's a really lovely Cibeles style property. You've got that underbuild and you've got loads here of room and space. You have that off-road parking and you have that lovely pool. I know you can't really see because it's covered up for winter, but once that comes off, that would be great. A lovely place for holidays or a permanent home. If you're interested in this property, do contact info@lettoseltobuy.com, and the phone number I leave on here is actually WhatsApp, so you can contact any of the guys in the office. I will of course leave the reference number in the title of the video, and don't forget, please share, like and subscribe because somebody out there would love this property. And please, if you feel like it, please buy me a coffee and that will support my channel. Take care, and hopefully I'll have another beautiful video of another beautiful home soon for you.